Okay, the next method is the modified Euler's method. So in the Euler's explicit method, which we have already discussed last time, di ba? In Turman 2, we have a single step and natay usa lang ka. We just consider the current value and then we estimate for the next value. In the modified Euler's method, so in the Euler's explicit method, di ba? We have the initial value and then estimate the second value. Tapos hantod sa sigit sa estimate until maka-form tag curve. No, of course there is an error because there's a difference from the exact or the correct curve sa new modified curve. So in the Euler's explicit, ingani ra siya, no, we have this slope and then and then from that point we created a new slope, then estimated another slope aron makabot sa next point. Now in the modified Euler's method, lahi pod siya. So we have an initial value and then we have this slope. So naman tayo slope, di ba, dire? Pagkahuman ani pagkakuha ni sa point, nagkuha na po siya og another slope, this slope at this point. Kana siya. So like this, as in the Euler's explicit method, no, nice slope at the second point. Now, however, instead of continuing, mag-continue ng punta dire from this slope to estimate the next point, ang gibuhat in the modified Euler's method, or also called the Euler's predictor corrector method, is mura siya ko mura siya gi-isbog paingon diri nga part in such a way parallel or paingon diri nga part, since gi-isbog man siya dira, no, parallel nga pag-isbog ingani nitabo, ingani ang itsura. We have from the first one atong using the Euler's method, the Euler's explicit method, and then the second one is from estimating the slope using y nga nakalculate nato sa Euler's method. And then we have already two slopes, this one and this one. Pagka afterwards i-average dayon ni siya, and then that will be the estimated or approximate value ni y. So compared with the Euler's explicit method, the predictor corrector is much better because we are averaging the estimate, no, the estimated slopes to get a better approximate of the next value of the y. So this is the step, no, this is the algorithm. So again, as in all x, of course the x is just the previous plus the step size, maraming gitna. And then first and afterwards you're going to calculate the slope or the y prime using the first point, and then you're going to get the Euler's, you apply the Euler's explicit method, no, katong the new y or the y sub I plus 1 is equal to y sub I plus the h times the y prime. And after getting this, kay di ba ato man siyang iingani, mura siya iisbog nato dira. So after getting that, mag-calculate na putag another slope. So we have the first slope kanisha, this is this one, and then we can get this y by using this step. After that, magkuha na putag new slope on that point, which is this one, para maisbog siya. So the slope in that point is in this form. So nganong x2 because we are already on the x2 nga part, di ba? And then nganong kanisha y nga katong sa na-calculate nato before, it is because the y being used there is that 1, di ba? Instead of the initial nga x and the y nga initial. So after getting the slope on that part, we average the slope. So mura gyapon siya in the form y sub I plus 1 is equal to y sub I plus h times the slope. Pero ang slope lang diri is gi-average na nato. We have the old slope and then the new katong nay kuan with the application of the Euler's nga Euler's explicit method. Sige, same example, applying the concept of the Euler's explicit method. Same example, same given, same equation, same step size. So first is the new value of the x. So we have from 0 to 0.5. And afterwards, you get the y prime, diba? You get the y prime. So the y prime is 3.4. After getting the y prime, mo na dito ma-apply kag Euler's explicit to get this one. Y sub I plus 1 is equal to y sub I. So gisulat lang ni siya ingani because this is to indicate that this is the formula used in the Euler's explicit method. Pagkakuha ani, magkuha na sa taog slope at that point, at this second point, due to this y. So mo din to, by the way, this is 4.7, and then we get the slope at that point, at the second point, that is 0.385. Now, to estimate, to have a better estimate para sa atong second point nga y, we average the previous and the current slope. So, moving nito average, ato silang gi-add, gi-divide by 2. This is averaging. Multiply it with the h plus the old nga value of y. And then, we have 3.9462. This is the point, no? So, this is the summary using the modified Euler's method. So, initially, we have the 0 and then the 3. At the next step, ikuha na to ang slope from the previous. So, the slope nila, we have 3.4. Using Euler's explicit method, we have arrived at 4.7. No? We applied katong, so muna siya, first is the slope of the previous point. After getting that, we can we apply the Euler's explicit formula to get this one, 4.7. Since diba as I have shown, balik na to sa graph, this one. So diba ang first is we have the point initial value and then naanatay slope. Pagkakuha na to sa slope, kuha na to ang point, second point using Euler's explicit. Pagkakuha na to sa second point, we denote this by this. Ikuha na po na to siya slope using the value of x sub 2 or x at that point. And then we average it with the previous slope to have a better estimate or approximate. So this is the summary of the table. So this is the slope at that point using this value, and then we average it with this times the step size plus the previous value of y. We will arrive at this point. Same step until the 2.5. So sa ato pa, the answer of this one is 3.3937 using Euler's modified Euler's method or the Euler's predictor corrector method. So here, this is the exact solution. If we integrate this equation, and then using the Euler's explicit method or the standard method, one yung result. And then this is the corresponding errors, a percentage approximate, percentage relative error of the if we use the explicit method. If we use the modified method, ang error ni samot kagamay, ni anam kagamay. So sa ato pa di ay si modified method, modified Euler's is much better than the explicit. And this is the explicit method. So inyong makita no, lagyo kay ang points. But applying the modified Euler's, much better ang atong estimate compared using the Euler's explicit method. So effective ditong i-average ang duha kay slope to get the point. So they are much closer to the exact solution and much better approximation.